Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 5, Cross-Department Collaboration. In this video, you will learn why cross-department collaboration matters, key departments QA must work with, common communication gaps, real-world scenario, tools for better collaboration, scheduling and sample delivery, role of QA in collaboration. Let's begin and learn how to make better quality products together. Why cross-department collaboration matters. QA is the gatekeeper of quality, but production makes the product. Procurement buys the materials, and stores manages stock. If these teams don't talk, quality suffers. Quality doesn't belong to QA alone, it's a team effort. Smooth collaboration between QA, production, procurement, and stores helps prevent delays, defects, and miscommunication. The goal: everyone works toward the same quality standards. Key departments QA must work with: production, to control quality during manufacturing; procurement, to source materials as per specs; stores, to inspect and release approved raw materials; planning, to align QA manpower with production timelines; merchandising, to understand buyer expectations and tech packs. Common communication gaps examples: production begins without approved size set; stores release fabric before inspection; procurement buys zippers from unapproved supplier; QA team unaware of urgent style changes from buyer. Result: delays, rework, and poor final quality. Scenario: delayed fabric inspection. Problem: stores received 20,000 meters of dyed fabric, but didn't inform QA for inspection. Cutting started before defects were identified. Impact: 15% of garments later failed for shade variation. Solution: stores instructed to inform QA within 2 hours of receipt. Joint checklist introduced for fabric handover. Weekly coordination meeting added between QA and stores. Tools for better collaboration: daily QA, production meeting notes; sample handover tracker like Excel or app-based; joint review boards for sample and defect reviews; color-coded tags for approved or rejected materials in stores; WhatsApp or Slack groups for urgent callouts. Scheduling and sample delivery. Best practices: QA should receive samples like PP, top, GPT at least 2-3 days before need date. Use a sample calendar shared across departments. Escalate delays immediately to prevent bottlenecks. Sample table. Sample type: GPT shirt A. Expected by 15th April. Department: merch. QA received 13th April. Status: testing. Sample type: PP pants B. Expected by 18th April. Department: merch. QA received. Date not found. Status: delayed. Role of QA in collaboration. QA must be a partner, not a policeman. Quality improves when people feel like they are working together, not being watched. Clarify quality checkpoints in pre-production meetings. Share inspection results with production and merch. Help resolve quality issues, not just report them. Give feedback in a way that supports, not blames. Quick summary: Module 5. Quality is everyone's job, collaboration is the key. Align sample schedules, inspection plans, and risk styles with all departments. Use tools to track communication and avoid delays. A proactive QA team builds better cross-functional relationships. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 6.